Hola amigos and welcome to the channel. Me llamo Nuria y soy tu profesora de español. Welcome to the channel. Today, as per the title, we are going to go over the days of the week and months of the year in Spanish. So I will put the Spanish word and the English word and I just say it out loud. We will do them slowly so that you can follow along. So let's go with the video. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado. When you have an accent on a vowel, he will sound stronger. So in this case, it's at the beginning of the word. So sábado as opposed to sábado or sábado. Sábado. Domingo. Very well. Let's do that together one more time and it's your time to say it out loud and practice. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Brilliant. So let's go now on to months of the year. Some of them will be very similar to the English and some of them will look nothing like it. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Brilliant. Let's do them all one more time. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Brilliant, well done. We have come to the end of the video, but if you want to learn more Spanish, head over to the channel and subscribe so that you don't miss any Spanish video, and nos vemos en el próximo video. Hasta pronto.